Business owners, how about I give you the ticket to making informed decisions, staying ahead of the competition, and in turn, you just watch this video to the end, huh? Yeah, fair deal, right? That ticket is bookkeeping. And before we proceed and get ready to do away with whatever bad mentality you have about bookkeeping, let's talk about the importance of bookkeeping. Let's hit it.
Let's hit it!
Bookkeeping has a seemingly mundane facade, but don't let that fool you. Beyond that myth lies a superhero-like power that keeps businesses on track, ensuring accuracy and compliance and empowering informed decision making. Let's find out how important bookkeeping really is. We start off by finding out about what exactly bookkeeping is all about. It's like the meticulous detective work of tracking financial transactions within a business. Every sale, every expense, every dollar that comes in and goes out is carefully recorded and organized. It's the paper trail that tells the story of your business financial journey from top to bottom, back up to the top. But bookkeeping isn't just about crunching numbers. It's about accuracy and compliance. By keeping a close eye on your transactions, bookkeeping guarantees that your numbers adds up correctly. No more guessing or relying on memory. It's all there, neatly organized, giving you the confidence that your financial picture is crystal clear. Regarding compliance, bookkeeping is your best bet for staying on the right side of tax regulations. When tax season rolls around, having an accurate financial record is a lifesaver. By maintaining meticulous books, you're equipped to report your income, expenses, and deductions accurately. Bookkeeping is also a business owner's trusted advisor. By analyzing your financial records, bookkeeping provides valuable information for making informed decisions. Want to expand your business? Your book can reveal if you have that financial capacity. Are you considering new investments? Bookkeeping helps you evaluate your cash flow and assess the potential returns of those investors. If numbers aren't your forte, no problem still. This is where technology and modern bookkeeping software that automate tasks and simplify the process comes in. It makes your work a whole lot easier without all that number crunching. Now, let's talk about what are the benefits of investing in bookkeeping. There are incredible benefits that investing in bookkeeping can bring to your table. Time and resource optimization is one. You don't have to spend countless hours shifting through piles of receipts and invoices, trying to make sense of your financial situation. In my experience, that can be very exhausting. By streamlining financial processes, you save some valuable time and resources. With organized records and automated systems, you have more time to focus on what really matters: growing your business. Another remarkable advantage of bookkeeping is its ability to foster financial transparency. In a world where trust is paramount, having a clear and accountable financial system is vital. By keeping meticulous records and tracking every penny, bookkeeping ensures that your financial transactions are transparent and easily traceable. This not only builds trust with your clients and investors, but also helps you identify any discrepancies, irregularities, allowing for timely correction. Lastly, risk management. Every business faces risks, and being proactive is the key to staying ahead. Bookkeeping plays a crucial role here by helping you identify potential risks and enabling you to take proactive measures to mitigate them. By monitoring your financial health and identifying trends, you can spot early warning signs and make informed decisions to protect your business from potential pitfalls. What are forecasting and bookkeeping? Forecasting is a powerful tool to help businesses anticipate their financial future. It's like putting on your detective hat and analyzing past data, market trends, economic indicators to make educated predictions about where your revenue expense might be heading. It's all about making informed decisions and avoiding financial surprises. Revenue and expense forecasting are the dynamic duo of financial forecasting. Financial forecasting is all about estimating the amount of money your business will generate in a given period. It involves analyzing sales trends, customer behavior, and market conditions to paint a picture of your financial future. On the other hand, expense forecasting focuses on predicting your costs, including everything from rent to utilities to employee salaries and inventory expenses. What are technology and bookkeeping tools you can use in 2023? The day of tedious manual data entry and reconciliations are gone. Do I have your attention? With the power of cutting-edge technology these days, bookkeepers now have access to advanced software and tools that can automate repetitive tasks. Imagine the hours saved and the reduced margins for error. Automation not only boosts efficiency, but also frees up valuable time for bookkeepers to focus on more strategic and analytical aspects of their work. Are you up for a peek into the world of digitalization? In 2023, Bookkeeping has embraced digital solutions, allowing for seamless document management and retrieval. Receipts, invoices, financial statements are easily stored, organized, and accessible with just a few clicks. It's like having an army of virtual assistants at your beck and call, ready to fetch any piece of information you need to know in seconds. The wonders of cloud-based solution goes on and on. It even allows bookkeepers to work remotely, collaborate effortlessly, and access real-time financial data from anywhere in the world. Cloud technology has revolutionized the way bookkeeping is done, providing a secure and scalable platform for data storage and collaboration. Plus, with automatic backgrounds and updates, you can bid farewell to the fear of losing important financial information. Bookkeeping software also connects seamlessly with customer relationship management systems, point-of-sale systems, and even inventory management tools. This integration means that financial data flow effortlessly between systems, eliminating the need for manual data entries and ensuring accuracy across the board. It is really very important to choose the right bookkeeping software. With so many options out there, it's important to select one that suits your business' unique needs. Look for software that offers features like invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting. Consider user friendliness, compatibility with your computer systems, and scalability as your business grows and revenue sizes. However, before choosing bookkeeping software, take advantage of free trials and demos. Why? It allows you to test drive different options and determine which one feels most intuitive to you. Think about that for a minute. Don't be afraid to ask for recommendations from fellow business owners or consult online reviews. Remember, finding the right software is like finding a perfect match for your business for the long run. When you look at how easy technology makes bookkeeping to be, you'll only be surprised that you didn't get into this much sooner, thinking that it would bog down and take up so much of your time. We're living in a crazy AI world that is no longer true. Hey guys, I want to take this break and let you guys know that I hope you guys have been enjoying this video. I think this is a good time to let you all know if you want more powerful, professional content to help you save on taxes and compliance headache, please, for the love of Uncle Sam, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. We promise to read all relevant comments and give you the answer you need to succeed. We here at Free Cash Flow Agency, thank you for your support. Now, back to the show. Let's talk about case studies. Successful bookkeeping investments. Let's quickly jump into a case study that showcases the positive outcomes achieved by businesses that decide to invest in bookkeeping. From improved financial management to increased profitability, these stories will inspire and enlighten you. In our first case study, Sarah, the owner of a small boutique clothing store, was struggling to keep track of her finances amidst the chaos of daily operation. She brought in a professional bookkeeper who implemented a robust accounting system. With accurate financial records, Sarah gained clear visibility into her cash flow, expenses, and profit margins. This newfound insight allowed her to make informed decisions, optimize her inventory management, and negotiate better deals with her suppliers. As a result, her profitability increased by a staggering 30%, and she could finally breathe easily while focusing on continuing to grow her business. In another instance, we see David, a visionary founder of a growing creative agency. He recognized the critical needs for improved financial management as the client base expanded. With a strategic approach, he invested in top-notch bookkeeping service to understand his business, to optimize the agency's financial processes. By implementing accurate invoicing, timely expense tracking, and comprehensive financial reporting, David's agency witnessed remarkable improvement. Let's dive into some of the success stories' main bullet points. Client-based growth. The agency experienced a 35% year-on-year increase in its client base over the last fiscal year. Financial management investment. David allocated $50,000 to acquire cutting-edge bookkeeping services and software solutions to streamline the financial workflow. And it's going to be money well spent when it finds all these ways that can save the company money through accurate bookkeeping. Expenditure optimization. Through meticulous analysis, the agency identified $30,000 in unnecessary expenditures that were reallocated to more productive areas. Operational efficiency. With enhanced financial clarity, the agency improved its operational efficiency by 20%, reducing overall costs. Profitability surge. Thanks to the newfound transparency and optimized financial processes, the agency's profitability soared by an impressive 45% over the last 6 months. The ability to attract larger clients. As a result of demonstrating professionalism and transparent financial practices, the agency successfully attracted several high-profile clients, leading to a 25% increase in revenue. Resource allocation. With better financial insight, David could allocate resources more effectively, resulting in a 15% boost in project completion efficiency. Through his commitment to efficient financial management, David's creative agency not only boosted its bottom line, but also gained a reputation for reliability and excellence in the industry. As the numbers demonstrate, Investing in robust financial practice can have a significant impact on a business success, enabling it to thrive and reach new heights. You realize that these case studies highlight the transformative power of investing in bookkeeping. Whether you run a small boutique or a thriving agency, taking this step can be the catalyst for unlocking your business's true potential. So I hope these success stories inspire you to make the move of investing in bookkeeping. Please, no more chicken scratches on a napkin that are just not gonna cut it unless you're in some movie like Wolf of Wall Street. Addressing common concerns. So, when it comes to managing the financial side of a business, bookkeeping is often with a mix of apprehension and uncertainty. One common concern that arises is the potential costs associated with bookkeeping. While it's true that hiring a professional bookkeeper while outsourcing the task can incur expenses, the benefit will usually far outweigh the initial investment. If you're getting a return on your dollars for spending money on the tax professional, that's what matters, and that's why choosing the right tax professional and understanding business is so important. So let's talk about some of the costs, right? So hiring a bookkeeper for outsourcing the task to a reputable firm does come with a price tag. However, if you consider the time and energy you'll save by entrusting this crucial aspect of business to an expert, I think you agree with me that a skilled bookkeeper will ensure accurate record keeping, timely tax filings, and help you navigate the complex world of financial regulation. This in turn allows you to focus on growing your business and pursuing new opportunities. Steps to get started with bookkeeping in 2023. If you want to start with bookkeeping, take a moment to evaluate a business bookkeeping requirement is the first thing you want to do. Consider the size of your business, the volume of transactions, and the complexity of your financial records. Are you a small business owner with a handful of clients, or do you run a bustling empire with multiple revenue streams? Understanding your need will help you choose the right bookkeeping approach going forward. You've now realized how helpful bookkeeping can be for your business. I hope that you see why you should go ahead and really invest in bookkeeping really for this moment and on, especially if you run a six-figure plus business. It's absolutely one of the necessary steps to have longevity in your business. In any case, if you enjoy watching this video and would like to see more videos similar to this, then please subscribe to my channel and smash that thumbs up button, please. Now go ahead and go invest in your business financial stability. Good luck to you. Alan's out.